What's up, guys? I'm doing another video, and today I'm with my father. Wow, thanks, Dad. What's up? Alright, so we're in Phoenix, as you can see by this fantastic traffic and amazing buildings.
Traffic right now.
We're looking for an XRS, because if you didn't know, I wrecked his XRS, and he didn't kill me for some reason. Thanks, Dad, for not, destroying me. So we're looking for another XRS. We found one at a dealership already that was, well, less than perfect.
Did you film it?
No, I didn't, because I forgot, because I'm real smart. Yeah, it's less than great. It had some tears in the seats, but we're gonna keep looking around and see if we can find one. Okay, so we're at the dealer. My dad's making sure that he can test drive he's going to be able to, he just has to, make sure that they're okay. So here's the Tundra. I like this truck a lot. So it's got this thing here, which, you can pull the taillight out and you'll have direct access to paintless dent repair that. And then this fender has a little crunch right here. But other than that, though, it's a pretty good looking truck. It's a V6 SR5. It's a manual. The interior is like flawless. I'll show you when we're driving it. But looks like a pretty nice truck. So we're going to take this for a test drive and then I'll get on back. Okay, so we just drove that Tundra and it drives really nice. The clutch is good. It grabs, and it's overall a really nice truck. There's a. Are you sure? He already went and looked at all of these things. But yeah, the Tundra is nice. The two dents kind of suck in it, but the rest of it's really nice. So we're gonna go look at that Camry real quick, and then we might look at that Celica GTS, and we'll see. Alright, so here's the second car we looked at. This is the 2008 Camry. Here's the Camry versus the Tundra. Now, as you can see, this is a very bland and uninspiring Camry. It has no sort of style points or anything like that to it. It's very bland because it's silver and it has steels. Now we would fix that by putting actual wheels on it and an exhaust, maybe a little spoiler. We're gonna make it not bland. But as of right now, it's very bland. The Tundra is a cooler truck to begin with, but the Tundra has 223,000 miles and is from a dealer that is, just like an off the side sort of dealer. It's a used car dealership. This is at AutoNation Honda in Tucson. So I feel like this is going to be backed a little better, and this is also an 82 or an 86,000 mile car. It's a lot better of a daily driver for my dad. Let me show you the interior real quick. The interior as well is really nice. It is a 5-speed manual, and yeah, so I don't know, this is a very difficult decision for us. I did already look it up. I have spare XRS wheels. They will not fit on this car. This is a 5x114.3, and the XRS is a 5x100. So XRS wheels won't fit on this, so we'd have to figure something out. But yeah, so the predicament is, oh yeah, and here's another issue. It has this big gouge in the back bumper, which would actually require replacing the bumper for a perfect fit, perfect fix. So I really don't know. Me and my dad we're having a difficult time choosing, but I don't know. So we're gonna see. We'll let you know. All right, so there it is. That's our new car, 2008 Toyota Camry. And yeah, so this is what you wanted. All right, well, I got to drive the 2000 Corolla home. So, all right, bye, Dad. All right, so anyways, guys, that's the video. I know it's kind of short, you know, but one thing I would like to just talk about real quick is, you know, why that Camry is kind of a big deal to me, because, you know, it's filling a spot that I, you know, feel like I've been missing. You know, the crashing the XRS really sucked, and it made me feel like, you know, it made me feel really bad because I realized that, you know, something that I did has now become my dad's problem, you know, and that just, it felt so bad, you know. I didn't feel that, obviously, you know, didn't make me feel very good at all about anything. So, you know, it's a really big deal to me that now he has a really good, reliable daily driver. And even though the Camry is very bland and very, you know, just a standard silver Camry that everyone has, we're gonna make it a little more interesting. We might put a full Camry SE ground effect kit and spoiler on it, but at the very least, it's gonna have the SE spoiler. It's gonna, you know, have an intake and an exhaust and wheels. We might lower it a little bit. It's gonna be a nice car by the time it's done. It won't be an XRS, you know, it'll never be, you know, it'll never fulfill what the XRS was, but I think it's a lot better of a car for my dad to have now. The XRS was a great daily driver. It was a fantastic car. But one of the problems it had was because of the amazing engine that it had. It took 91 octane, so that kind of sucked as far as a daily driver, and it didn't get great gas mileage. The Camry's getting what the XRS got for gas mileage, but the Camry just takes 87. It doesn't need 91, so that's always nice. The Camry had 87,000 on it when we bought it. We bought it on Wednesday last week, so we've had it for about a week and a half now, and it's been a great car. My dad's already put 1,000 miles, 1,500 miles on it, and that's why it's not here right now. He actually took it to work, so it's a great car. 88,000 miles. Well, it turned over to 88,000 not too long ago, and something we didn't realize is when we were reading the Carfax paperwork, the person that owned it before took it into every single dealer service that they recommend. Like the dealer will give you a little packet and it says when to come in, you know, and it says come in every 3,000, 5,000 miles to do the service. This car has records for 2.5, 3 pages of records of this person taking it to the dealer. 12,000, 15,000, 18,000, 21,000, you know, just every single time that this car needed anything, it went to Precision Toyota in Tucson. And, you know, it really makes me feel like the car was well taken care of, and, you know, this car is going to last a really long time. So I'm really glad that he has the car. Like I said, it's not an XRS, and it won't fill, I guess, the spot that the XRS did, except for the fact that it's a daily driver. But, you know, I still want one. I still miss having one, and you know, but maybe someday we will buy one. I would like to buy one for my dad and surprise him with it or something, but I don't know, you know, that's something that I'd have to buy, like a cheap one and fix up and keep it a secret. So that'll be several years from now. But anyways, guys, I'm glad, you know, I just took driving school yesterday, so I passed driving school, so the points are going to be off my license. I can still go to college, and finally everything that's been going on in my life for the last month and a half, 2 months now, is all cleared up, and I couldn't be happier. So I'm sorry about the break that I took from making videos. I took a break so that I could, you know, focus on my life and all of that other stuff and get everything out of the way, because as much as I love making YouTube videos, it's stressful to come up with topics and think, oh yeah, I need to make a video, you know, and come up with it. But I'm glad, you know, I took a break, but I'm back now, and we're going to be doing the same schedule like always. So anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Thank you so much for staying by me, and can't wait to see the new videos for the Camry. So Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Bye.